As a small business owner, I was looking for a new solution to help me, whether it be going to the post office, to the UPS store, or even to craft shows. I was so happy when KEDSUM gifted me this shopping cart. They call it a shopping cart, but I plan on using it for my small business. The things that I really appreciate about this cart is, first off, that bag is waterproof. It has a Velcro closure. You open it up and the bag goes all the way to the bottom. So if you have a lot of little things, like I carry a ton of little packages, then I can put these all in here and then roll it into the post office to drop off my packages. It also has 2 compartments on the side where you can put additional items. This bag is removable. All you have to do is pull off the bag, and you have a little mini hand truck. So it has a platform on the bottom that you could stack a lot of boxes. The handle does collapse, and the cart completely collapses and it's foldable. So it's really easy to store away. It's super lightweight. It has these amazing wheels that are really big for going over curbs, terrain. So it's going to be really maneuverable anywhere you need to take it. So let's put some stuff in it and see how it works. Now I can easily lift it and put it into my car. It fits perfectly right here in the back, or I can take the bag off, collapse it, and put it in that way too. And there it is, all collapsed. Super lightweight, really easy to use, really durable. This shopping bag has so many different uses. I can't believe I've lived without it this long.